Hey guys, Matt Olson here from MIP. What you can see in front of you is our all-new conversion chart that we have on MIPonline.com. The reason for this conversion chart is we have discontinued a whole bunch of our old part numbers, but all the parts are still going strong for a lot of our kits out there. This is mainly in the Traxxas and Axial realm for products. So as you can see, we have the new 1800 numbers here on the left and the older part numbers here on the right. So you can go to MIPonline.com and access this new chart real easy, either on the mobile version or on your PC version. So if we go here, we go to cross-reference chart. You can see it's detailed out here, but what I really like is our download chart that you can get here. And you don't have to download it on your PC version to view it as much, but you can since you have a smaller screen, of course. Since you have a smaller screen, of course, here you can now look at the PDF and the exploded view, everything like that, zoom in, zoom out. So it's really nice to have. And also what's a really cool feature on MIPonline.com is if you go to the search bar, which is in the right upper hand corner, and we'll search an old part number like 1147, look at it's right there. We can search that. You can see that it pops up the new part number. That's 18100. So as you can see, 18100 right there, 1147. So it's super nice, guys, where you're able to now look at all of your old part numbers, what they have been replaced by, as well as for all of our dealers out there and everything. We have now map pricing with all of our parts that are coming into stock, so that our brick and mortar shops out there and our online hobby shops are able to now have a level playing field, which is really nice. Anyways, guys, again, you can access this conversion chart on MIPonline.com. Really appreciate all your guys' business, and here's to 2018 and beyond. Have a great day. Bye-bye.